Let's prepare our cheeseburger. First, let's add some of the Thousand Island dressing to the bun. I love how this Thousand Island even has little green pieces of glitter to resemble the pickles. How cute is this? Now let's add some ketchup. Do you guys add ketchup to your hamburger bun, or are you more like of the ketchup packet person? I prefer adding it with the ketchup packets. And this is the final result. The ketchup slime was a little bit melted since it's been hot where I live, but how cute is this? And we have our french fries, and we also have a soda. You guys see the little ice cubes at the bottom?